What's going on, Westfield?
It's ATI, Inspired to Inspire.
How y'all doing?
Yep. Wake up, can't stop me now. I live my dreams right here and now. Write a book, don't need a pen. The pillow sheets in my own bed. Alarm clock is ringing loud. All these people don't hear a sound. Higher and higher from off the ground. We are the town that no one's found. I'm grateful. Useless words that I have never heard. Respect what you do have. Ain't gonna get it all. Don't give up on what is yours and maybe just a dream. Hard work and determination, and now you know the theme. Walk the walk and walk the talk. Making millions is just a thought. I'll roll my fast, won't through the stress. All these people hate on my success for you and try and tell me that I ain't got a chance. I'll do what's best for me, man. Hell, I don't need a plan. Anything is possible, no matter what they say. Don't need the odds on my side, that's why we play the game. Just regress, just progress, and roll your way to the top. You'll see the dreams in front of you. All you gotta do is knock. Yeah,
See all these dreams we've been chasing?
yeah.
You know they started in the basement.
Stand up.
So now we've overcome these obstacles, so go and get your dreams
Like me, cause anything is possible.
Yeah,
Cause anything is possible. Yeah, cause anything is possible. Now we've overcome these obstacles, so go and get your dreams like me, cause anything is possible. Yeah, cause anything is possible. Yeah, cause anything is possible. Now we've overcome these obstacles, so go and get your dreams like me, cause anything is possible.
and yeah, I started in my basement. Sick and tired, felt divided,
Wondering where the days went.
all grown up, worried what's gonna be my next step. Feeling like I'm giving up until I take a deep breath. You're getting stressed, you need to stop, enjoy your life. Don't worry about the rest, cause everything will come in time. Time to make a difference with the gifts that I've been given. Gonna take it to the limit every minute till I hit the finish line. And I'll show you what is why I'm here. Just prove them wrong and make my demons disappear. Walking forward with no fears, now my mind is fresh and clear. Years, wiping tears, ain't got no time for wasting years. That's awesome.
That's great.
Great sound guy!
That's okay. That's okay. We can talk a little bit.
Is this on?
Yours on.
Does this work?
Well, let me get into a little bit of an introduction. We didn't really say anything about ourselves. We are Aspire to Inspire. We are right out of East Hampton, Massachusetts. That's right down the road for those of you who don't know. We're the 413. Where's that?